In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default workflow user in Salesforce. This is a crucial task for ensuring that your automation processes run smoothly and are managed by the right person. So let's dive right into it. First, navigate to the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. There you'll find a gear icon. Clicking on this icon opens up a menu with several options. The gear icon is your gateway to a variety of administrative settings, so it's something you'll get well acquainted with as you manage your Salesforce environment. Once you've clicked the icon, look for an option labeled Advanced Setup. Now, while it might sound a bit technical, this is a straightforward section where you configure several settings that govern how Salesforce behaves for your organization. After selecting Advanced Setup, direct your attention to the Quick Find box. This search tool is incredibly useful for quickly locating specific settings without having to navigate through multiple menus. In the Quick Find box, type Process Automation Settings. This helps you zoom in on the specific setting we're about to modify. Once you see Process Automation Settings in the results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of process automation within Salesforce. You'll find several options here, but don't get overwhelmed. Our focus today is on adjusting who is designated as the default workflow user. Scroll until you locate the field labeled Default Workflow User. This is where you determine which user is responsible for any workflows that might not have a specific owner. To change this user, utilize the lookup functionality. It's an insightful tool that allows you to search and select from the list of current Salesforce users in your organization. Selecting someone who is actively involved with the workflow processes ensures that any automatic tasks or processes are flagged to the right person. After you've selected the desired user, make sure to click the Save button to apply your changes. It's a simple step, but it's crucial because it ensures your changes are finalized and in effect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the default workflow user in Salesforce. Adjusting this setting helps ensure that all automated processes are handled efficiently and by the correct person, enhancing the overall workflow within your organization. Remember, regularly updating this setting as personnel changes occur ensures continued efficiency and proper process management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks.